Dale. I had you and him in frame if you would have shot him like within that 30-foot range.
What happened?
I couldn't get him to stop.
Did you bark at him?
I barked and he turned. We're kissing and he just kept running at you. He didn't even look at me. I picked my gun up. I'm like trying to move my gun.
That's what I was doing. I was moving as he's going by. I thought, I'll just let him come to you guys.
You were already on your AR?
Yeah.
Can't get back on the shotgun?
No, I was, because he was so dang far out, I was on him with the AR, and by the time I thought, shoot, I need to switch, I thought I'm not going to move. Because I knew I got you guys on the side.
Because he came right across, like I saw him in my frame and I got you, everything. I'm like, oh, shoot him!
I was he wouldn't stop.
I had him and Daryl in this, I think in the same frame too, over there, and nobody shot.
Man, he came way down
I think I barely caught the first shot of that. Then he took off faster than I could move the camera. So was that Mike again?
It would have a tenth of a second later, but I shot out from underneath him. It's a good one.
I could have shot.
We didn't. So.
Hey, who sits into this kind of territory and in their head says, okay, we're going to shotgun one from
And the dog come from
1,200
where we
yards? Yeah, it came from where we came. It came from that sage pile over there.
No, he got up and ran up here.
I look over and he's like, brum, 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 brum. Did you see him get up?
I didn't know what else was. Like, kissing the little Dale.
The wind's this loud, you can almost just say, hey.
I was kissing it.
Were you?
But I had my gun up and I'm like, he was in
Sometimes
this
they will not stop and you gotta go, whoa! Just like that.
I barked at him. I barked at him. He did not
Yeah,
stop.
he didn't.
Yeah. Well, I told you that one time I shot one that, as it was going by me, almost at point blank range, just saw fur in the
He
scope.
wouldn't even look.
No,
He was just like on the sound.
couldn't tell where the sound was coming from, I think because the wind's bending it. So he was probably thinking it was down there. All right, who's got a camera? We get that on camera.
He did.
Okay. All I know is he's got a lot of ammo in him. Well, he's worth $20. Get up there, Kenny.
Get down on my knee there. Act like you're crying.
Where's the rum? Why is it gone?
It's not.
I know.
Somebody would volunteer to carry my guns. Kobe. Okay. It's a good pellet. Those big guard ears on it. Yeah, but it won't be bad.
Little holes.
Did you guys shotgun him?